Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna make quick, easy keto snacks from home and keto lunches. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I am so excited to show you my keto snacks we're gonna make today. If you want a quick, easy keto snack, some sort of to-go keto lunch, something that's really simple, this is the one for you. I have on here 4 different recipes that literally took me under 5 minutes to do once everything was prepped. Probably grand total, as I drop everything. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. So grand total for everything probably takes about 20 minutes, but oh my God, how amazing is this? I have different options for you. So let me show you what my different options are. But first, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and put down below keto snacks. So I know to do more videos just like this keto snack and this keto lunch video. Okay, I'm gonna hit broil, get that started on high. And in the meantime, while that's getting heated, I'm going to put down some parchment paper. So the Reynolds Kitchen parchment paper is a better choice to use because it literally fits in the shape of your pan versus like part of it missing. So I would recommend that, and I will put that in the description link below. I just happen to be out. So I'm going to use some shredded cheese to make my circles. I am using packaged shredded cheese, but it's a conscious choice. There is hidden creepy carbs in shredded cheese. It's best to grate your own. I just simply don't have time today. This is real life for my keto snacks. I want a quick keto snack that's easy. So I'm making the conscious choice to have some of the carb additives in it. And I'm making my circles about this size. I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of these and then go ahead and put them into the oven. And I'm just gonna take some spray and spray it over the top of my muffin pans, and that'll prevent sticking as well. And then once this comes out of the oven, I'm going to drape them over on top to make them like a little taco bowl. So my taco crisps just came out of the oven. I'm just simply going to take one of these. I gotta get a better spatula. Get a better spatula. Take one of these. I'm going to drape it over on top of my muffin tin. And I'm simply just flipping them over like this. And if your oven is like mine and it doesn't cook evenly, you can put these back in, whoops. You can put these back in, well, that's just gonna be a cheesy one. That's gonna be the best one because it's cheesiest. But if these aren't evenly cooked, put them back in the broiler again for another few minutes to get them firmed up a little bit if you want. So here are all of these on here. I've draped them on there. They're just gonna cool for a little bit, maybe, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna come back, check on them, touch them. They should be cooler to the touch, and then I can pull them off to make my little taco bowls with them for my keto snacks. So I've got all of my fixins set up for my keto snack or my keto lunch. This is a really easy one to do. You simply just take it off of the oven from the muffin pan, peel it off, and literally see it's in the shape of a bowl. I've got here some tuna and mayonnaise. You can use some primal mayonnaise if you want. Just simply put them in the taco-like crisp cup. You can put some tuna with mayonnaise, and primal mayonnaise is the best. Maybe put a little sprig of lettuce in there. Put 2 sprigs of lettuce, and you could have 2 just like this one. Here's another one, or where you just simply scoop your tuna in there. This makes for a great keto lunch on the go. It makes for an easy keto snack that you can make yourself. Just put a little on the sides. So that's one option, is tuna. My next option that I have is I had some of my leftover ribeye from my grass-fed delivered beef, which I'm going to put in the description link below. It's no antibiotics, no steroids beef. And I had some leftover meat that I had cooked. I'm simply just going to put the leftovers in here, put a little bit of sour cream on top to make a taco-like. You could use hamburger. I personally like the grass-fed delivered beef. You could use their ground beef, you could use their leftover, let's say, ribeye. So here's an example of one. We're gonna do a second one. put some leftover, say you have leftover chicken, but if you want that grass-fed beef, I will link it below in the description. Put a little sour cream on the side, that's one option. The next option you could do is like a club sandwich for a keto lunch or a keto snack. You could simply just put some pepperonis on there, cut up pepperonis. You could just have that as your snack, and then add some guacamole in there. You could also, for extra high fats, you could add salsa. 1 tablespoon of salsa is 1 net carb. You could put a little salsa on the side. I'm gonna do a second cut just for presentation so you can see my little pepperoni sticks there. That's one. And then I have 2 leftovers here that you could use. Here's the big old cup. You could put egg in here and make an egg bake with sausage. Add some diced green chilies, put that down below. I love putting diced green chilies into my meals, but this would be one you could put with egg as an example. But look how easy these are. Like this cup, totally simple. It took about 15 minutes for it to cool down completely, but that's what these keto snacks look like. How quick was that? You could make this for the Super Bowl. You can make it for a football game. You can make it for a lot of different things. Pork chop is very excited. You can make this all with a lot of, and then you can see, of course, there's leftover grease that came off of it and from some of my spray, but none of them stuck to the pan, and they simply just look like this. So if you like this easy keto snack, this keto lunch idea, put a big old thumbs up and put in the description comment keto snack so I know to do more videos just like this one. I would love to hear which one you're gonna make. Hey guys, if you like this keto snack video and this keto lunch video, put down below keto snacks so I know to do more videos just like this one. And also, did you know I have a #1 new release that came out over 6 months ago, The Mom's Guide to Ketosis, that I wrote of how I lost over 60 pounds through keto and through intermittent fasting, and how you can too. And that will be in the description link below, as will my warrior necklace in gold. In silver, it's costume jewelry to remind you that you are a warrior. We're all warriors. And let's warrior together at losing weight. Make it a powerful day, guys. Bye.